what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be installing the carbon fiber V-style lip. In a little clip that you guys saw, my buddy Sam did stop by. Got a beautiful secure orange F80 M3. He came by, he let me mock up my lip to his car, and it actually fits perfectly. So it is the carbon fiber like little splitters that are ruining the fitment. So JPEG went ahead and scheduled me in. They're gonna go ahead and cut the carbon splitters and install my lip. Super excited, so let's go ahead and get into it. Huge shout out to my dad. He ended up picking up a BMW authentic M mask for me at the dealer, and he also picked me up some full leather driving M gloves. Super dope. I was really excited when he got me these. These are pretty sick. I feel all official now with these gloves. Can't wait to use them on the next canyon drive. Just ask your local dealer. They should have these in stock. Same with the gloves. Not sure if there's other colors, but he got me just a regular black pair. They look pretty sick. If you guys know, you guys been watching my videos for a long time, RIP, this is where my Subaru took a shit, and for the second time. So that ended up leading me to this car, and I had to pull over on the freeway just a few feet back. But yeah, RIP. All right, you guys, so we are here at JPEG. They're gonna go ahead and throw on the lip for me. They just put the car on the lift. God, I admire this car every time I see it when I'm outside of it, whether it's parked, whether other people are working on it. The car's so beautiful. Love the colors, so unique. So that's their cars. Whew. 335 IS, another rare car. This is another one of the technicians here. Dude, that hood is so sick. And he's got BBS wheels. Got the side skirts that I had originally ordered, but I have the ones on now instead. So he's got the V2s. Those look sick in person. Haven't seen those yet, so that's pretty cool to see those. Yeah, this shit is sick. Give him a follow. Again, he's one of the technicians here, so he's actually working on my car right now. Full carbon hood, I thought wasn't gonna look that good. I thought maybe like paint matched hood was gonna look better, but actually it looks pretty sick. What do you guys think? Let me know. Every time I come, I love seeing this Imola red E46. So sick. They just installed the hydraulic e-brake on it, so that's pretty insane to see. I'll show you guys how big that shit is. Look at that. That's so tall. Really nice fitment. Got the carbon trunk. I really like this car. So we got the old one here. I don't know, if anybody wants this, let me know. Oh, and how do you guys like the mask? It fits really good, really soft. You guys can still hear me pretty clearly. Doesn't sound like I'm muffled because it's too tight or anything. But yeah, I think it's pretty sick. That stance though. Things you gotta do. This shit is not coming off. That's nuts. And woo, got it. So we mocked it up one more time, and it's getting better and better. They're slowly cutting more and more just because they don't want to overdo it. Obviously they want it to kind of sit flush, but also kind of not show the bumper as well, you know what I mean? Damn, you guys, look at that. It's like tar, dude. Just putting in a bunch of screws, making sure that it's nice and tight and snug, just in case I don't angle correctly and it just doesn't come off in one go. So it's looking good though. I don't need any problems. Damn. Too many ladies want you to work on their lips or what? Damn, this is looking sick. Alright you guys, so they finished putting on the lip. It looks so much better. Damn, it looks way better. Show you guys in the daylight. Ooh. Oh yeah. That shit looks way better. Yeah, it looks way better. Woo! Let's go. Oh my god. This car's so loud. Oh my god. I'm really digging the V2s. These are pretty sick. What do you guys think? You guys like this version or the ones that I have on my car? Here it is again. It looks so much better. Jesus. Look at that front end now. It even sits lower too. This lip is way lower than the M Performance lip. I'm in love with it. Shout out to everybody at JPEG. Hit them up if you guys need any work done. They freaking killed it. More carbon fiber in the front. Let's go. Apparently he can shoot gunshots. So that's nothing. Fuck! Keep going! Otra! That last one! Alright, kill it! Dude, that was nuts! You feel that in your chest, dude? That's crazy.
It's not even fully fucking heated up yet.
Dude, this thing is wild, bro. Oh, you're nuts. That's sick. Did it come white or you painted it white?
It came white.
Which brand is that?
Studio Record.
Yeah, see? You got all the carbon stuff. That's sick. This wheel is amazing. I need one. I had a cool carbon steering wheel in the STI, and I definitely need one of these. Who sold you their seats?
Okay. Actually, got them off a form, bro.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I drove all the way to Fresno.
Was it pretty easy to fit them?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
That's crazy. Your whole interior just looks like it's M3. Yeah, I gotta get all those carbon bits.
Yeah, I love the seats, bro. They're definitely an upgrade.
Yeah, they're pretty comfortable, dude. Whew. All right, man. I'm gonna head out. Thank you so much, dude.
Yes,
Appreciate it. Came out really sick. Thank you. Later, bro. Laters. Let's go. You good? Yeah. Did you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hell yeah, you guys. All done. Super hyped. So right now we're actually gonna go meet up with my homie Carl and hopefully get some dope shots later on today of the car with the lip on it. So stay tuned for that. Again, you guys, give me a follow on Instagram. I'm going to be posting photos of everything that we install on the car. Check out my photography work. Getting better and better, right? Every time. So I'm going to check in with you guys once we meet up with my friend Carl and hopefully get some dope shots for sunset. But right now, I'm pretty hungry, so we're probably going to go grab food. Don't know where. She's hungry too. So we'll check in with you guys in a bit. Well, I know I got a few East Coast followers, but we're getting that West Coast food today. Huh? Some In-N-Out. Sheesh. We hungry. Ooh, look at that. Fire food.
My grilled cheese too.
Oh yeah, get that, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Can't forget that grilled cheese. Fire. All right, you guys. So ended up meeting up with the homie Carl and his girl Vanessa. So we're out here. He let me actually use his 85mm lens to grab some photos right now. Never used that lens before, and my goodness, I need that lens so bad. It just made me want to take 1,000 photos right now. But honestly, I'm gonna show you guys what the car looks like right now. In this lighting, it looks pretty sick. So yeah, this is where we're shooting at today. Got some dope lighting going on right now. My GoPro died, so unfortunately, hopefully the quality is not too bad right now. I know the lighting kind of sucks with the iPhone in dark conditions, but damn, you guys. Really happy with the lip. Looks a lot better than the M Performance. Got a nice little sunset going on right now, so moving the car around a little bit, getting some better photos, so stay tuned. They'll be all over my page. Tail lights are looking sick in this lighting. So yeah, just been getting shots all around the car. Gonna try and move it by the train tracks over there and get some more. She's coming along. Got some really dope shots. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Getting some crazy shots right now with the homie Carl's 85mm lens. Everything's looking pretty sick. It's a little bit darker now, but thank you guys for tuning into another video. Yeah, we got the lip on. Looks really good. Can't wait to see what's next for the car, but hope you guys are enjoying the content. Shout out to JPEG again for installing for me and doing the cuts. Really appreciate it. Hit them up if you guys need anything. Follow them. Thanks guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Please like and subscribe and follow your boy. Peace.
My